Hey, what's going on? Coming at you, it's Waleed. Hey, I just want to put this out for you. I think this can help everybody out. You see everything that's going on, talking about credit repair. Will you pay this much to repair your credit? Would you pay this much for your credit score to go up to so much? So, well, this right here help everybody pretty much for free. Not really for free, but pretty much credit repair. One thing that goes about credit repair that lifts your credit up is getting a new line of credit and having revolving credit and paying it. It doesn't make no sense to go ahead and increase your credit score or get things removed from your credit and you still got old habits as far as getting the loan and not paying on it, getting a credit card, charging it up, not paying on it, just because you haven't learned no financial responsibility. So one of the best things to do is apply for a loan. Apply for a loan or apply for a security credit card, a secured credit card, where you pretty much put money on it, $200, $300, spend it, spend $25, pay it off, this, that, and third. That's how you really build up your credit. You gotta get revolving credit or show that you have become financially responsible with getting loans and having, a line of credit with a credit card and stuff like that there. Just writing these companies and getting stuff removed, which is good, it's gonna make your credit score go up. But if you're not practicing no new ethic ways of handling credit, you'll be back in the same boat 2-3 months later, because your credit score can go up and down just like that. So what I want you to do is, there's a great loan company, personal loan company, Zippy loans, and there's another secure credit company to get your secure credit card. I got both the links in the description. They're free. All you gotta do is fill out 4 little simple pages and apply for these credit cards and apply for these loans. If you get both of them, great. Go ahead and pay on them when they come in and be good. You might get one of them. Get it and use that as your first stepping stone to building your credit and boosting your credit score. All right, it's all about financial responsibility, because regardless, you're always going to need a loan. When you want to get that new car, when you want to get that house, when you want to invest in that business, that brick and mortar business already, you're going to have some type of credit, and you're going to have to show some type of financial responsibility that you will pay people back, you will pay on time, and you will take your credit seriously. All right, so that's the first step. That's what really will boost your credit, having a revolving line of credit and showing that, hey, you're not the person that you were 18, 19, 20 something years old when you were just getting introduced to credit and buying stuff on the strength of your word. All right, peace, take it easy. The links are in the description, and let's really get you some good credit. Let's really boost your credit score. Let's really get some things off your credit report. Peace.